What's up YouTube? It's Integra Freak 1. Today we have the Nike and Gyakusou Turbo 35 Nike Pegasus sneakers. As you can see, very wild colors going on. You have the yellow, you have the plum, 3M hits on the tongue. Well, 3M hits on the tongue and the eyelets, and also back here the yellow 3M. I've never seen this on a shoe. It's a very nice touch for Nike what they did. I do wish, although they did put the 3M where it is gray right here as a running shoe, I believe they should have 3M as much as possible on it. But we'll take what we can get from Nike sometimes. It has a nice hit again on the top of the shoes, so when you're wearing them with this side view, it's very nice. Let them know exactly what you have, because retail is steep on these. So I'll show you the tag. Retail is about $200. These are a size 10.5. I'll let you get the info right here. And on the side, they have the Gyakusou by Undercover Lab. These shoes, I really like how Nike and Gyakusou came together and did this pair. Many other pairs are reselling for a high amount. These aren't. I don't know if it's because there's a higher release number of these, but these are sitting actually on Nike and on StockX and sites like that. They're not going for much money. I mean, you still having to pay like $160, but that's still a $40 loss for whoever's trying to resell them, if any. So the back is very pointy. Well, that's one spot that I don't really like, but I'm sure there's a design reason of why Nike included that in there. So you have the hit of yellow, the plum is what I call it, then the white swoosh with the black, and then green on the tongue with the laces that are not like traditional laces. Instead, they're more of like, they have like a pull tab to them where you adjust the laces to your liking. Tongues have 3M on there with the green. You can see the tongue is very thin. Green insoles once again. I'll show another detail that I think that's very cool about this packaging. You have the gloss Nike box, and it's actually a slide box. So if you remember, the Nike Air Jordan 11s used to come in the slide box. I don't think they come in that anymore, but these do. And you get the black paper with the Gyakusou name all over. It's pretty sick. I like this box a lot. You know, I guess that's what you pay the premium price for sometimes. Just for the box and a few letters and writing on them. But that's what makes the shoe sometimes, you know. So let me know what you think about these down in the comments down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up on this video. Thank you.